Hey, what's going on guys? It's Keda here and this is WVC 1200 grid tie solar powered inverter. So in this video we will be going to take a look at the features of this inverter and we will be measuring the output efficiency of this inverter in practically. Okay friends, so let's jump it into the power input and output calculations. So this multimeter is showing us the DC input voltage from one of the panel, and this is showing us the DC input current. This clamp meter is showing us the AC output current, and here we have 240 AC output constant voltage, so we can use that. So if we multiply this voltage and current, we will get power from one of the solar panel, and if we multiply this current with 240 volts, then we will get AC power output from the inverter. And what we have to do here, since I have three solar panels, we have to multiply this voltage times currents, and we have to multiply times 3, so we will get the equivalent power output. So let's just do that. Okay friends, so efficiency of this inverter is here. You can see the calculations. So now I want to show you that how the MPPT feature of this inverter actually works. So I'm going to turn it off, the inverter. As you can see, the voltage is full, it is not consuming any current and not giving any output. So let me turn it on and you can watch how it will manage the voltage and current to reach to its maximum power point. Now I turned on the inverter. So here is how to calculate the efficiency. Just take a snapshot, and here you can see the efficiency at that time was 80%. Here is the panel output wattage that we are getting. So we have to multiply this by 3 times because we have 3 panels and we are getting 274 volts and we are getting 1.38 amps of AC output current. So 274 watts is input to our grid tie inverter. So take that into our brain, 274, and our AC output power is 240 volts times 1.38 amps. So we are getting 331 watts of power that at that instant. And here is the efficiency. As you can see, we are getting 274 watts of DC input power and 331 watts of AC output power. So let's just divide that, and we are getting 82.7% efficiency actually. The normal efficiency means the lowest efficiency is about 70% of this inverter, and the middle efficiency is 80%, and the maximum I have recorded is about 90%. So this inverter is performing actually pretty well. So let's take a look at how I connected my multimeters and the current meter. So this voltmeter is directly connected across the panel, and this current meter is actually connected in between our DC input panel and to the grid tie inverter actually. So we are measuring the input current. DC clamp meter is actually directly showing the current of the AC output. Okay friends, so here are some of my final thoughts about this inverter. I got this inverter for $250 and its power output capability is 1.2 kilowatts, which is pretty good, and its efficiency, as I have showed you earlier, is in between 75 normally to 90%. So it's pretty good at this price. I have tested this inverter. It survived the storm, raining conditions, the heating conditions, and all those kind of stuff. It's actually IP65 certified, so you don't have to worry about waterproofing, and it's all other kind of stuff. So this inverter can accept wide range of DC input voltage, means you can connect panel between 17 volts to 50 volts, and you have to just take a care that the panel rating is 300 watts. Now during the operation of this inverter, it gets about 10 degrees hot, and this inverter is available in all of the AC output voltage that you want, 120 volts, 230 volts, and all the voltages in between, and it matches the frequency of your grid. And this WVC grid tie inverters supports the power monitoring functionality. You just need the WVC modem and the WVC filter connected in same phase to which you have connected the grid tie inverter. So you have to connect firstly the WVC filter, and then you have to connect the WVC modem, and there is a Android and iOS app available to monitor the power output of this inverter, and also it can be seen on your PCs. And there are some silent features available, which is the additional AC output port to which you can connect another of these kind of grid tie inverters, and you can stack multiple grid tie inverter systems